Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and these are the ultimate must have for a bookish person in your life.
I am book obsessed. So when I saw these cutting boards that look like books from Soravita, I was so enamored. They are gorgeous and high quality wood, each made with their own designation for things like cheese and bread, meat and fish, and fruits and vegetables. Each one made of their own wood, like rubberwood, walnut, and acacia. These are just breathtakingly gorgeous and super functional. I have been able to use these, wash them, and they are still in perfect condition. I could not be more obsessed with these, and they are just such a statement piece to have in your kitchen.
This is the most gorgeous set of cutting boards I have ever seen, and the fact that they are book themed is just putting me over the moon. I am so in love with them. They would make the perfect gift for anybody who loves books or anybody who has a kitchen. Honestly, they are so great, and that is my point of view.